Welcome everyone to our next online SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create return earnings GL account. Use transaction code FS00, press enter. Here I have assigned the GL code for return earning, then company code. Click on create here. Select the GL account type. So in like SAP S/4HANA, you can see there are 5 types of GL account: balance sheet account, non-operating expense or income group, primary cost or revenue, secondary cost, and cash account GLs. So I'll be selecting the balance sheet account for return earnings, and here is the account group. Account group for this, I think mm, reserve and surplus. Maintain the text here. Then go to control data. Here by default the currency is INR. Balance in local currency. Select the sort key here. It's a line item display. Select as a posting key 001, and then go to the create bank interest here. Assign the field status group here G001, and check this box post automatically only. Then click on save here. Now you can see your GL account has been created. If you want to see, you can check it in SAP table /n AC16N. Then go to SKA1. Enter the chart of account here. Click on execute. You can see the GL account is created. So by this way you can create a return earning GL accounts in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.